Hello everybody, welcome to Getprintx. After creating a brand, to make your brand stand apart, proper branding is very necessary. At Getprintx, we offer custom branding services to our merchants. Custom branding includes hanging note, hang tags, neck labels, and more. To opt in for branding on your products, you just have to log into our Getprintx website. Here, on the upload design section, after selecting branding, you can choose whatever you like. First of all, we will proceed with the neck label design. The neck label can be added to the collar area of the t-shirt. To add your neck label to the product, simply just click on the upload option here. Click here to select a file. Just select your brand logo and your neck label which you have created. Adjust the design as per your reference. This is how your brand logo looks on the neck label. In case of black color labels, our team will adjust it as per the garment colors. If the t-shirt or any product is dark in color, white neck labels would be added, and if it's lighter in color, the black neck labels would be added. You can also add colorful neck labels to your product. After adding your neck label, just click on save. Name your neck label design just for the reference and just click on save. For neck labels, there is no minimum order quantity. There is just one-time payment for neck labels. Once you pay the upfront amount, the neck label would be free for lifetime unless you change it. If you change the neck label design, the new amount would be added. As your design is saved, just go to the user dashboard, and here from the direct order section, just select the options here. There is no need to select in size, so we will select free size. There's no color, so we will select no colors available. Just add the neck label to the cart and we'll proceed to checkout. There's no need to add all these details here as it's a self-shipping option. Just click on self-shipping. We can add anything in the store order ID. The amount is shown on this page and the GST is added to the total amount. After clicking on order now, your branding would be enabled and it would be added to your products after 24 to 48 hours of placing the order. Same is with other products. If you want to create a thank you card, just go to upload design, go to the branding section, select the thanking note here, click on the upload and just select your design to upload. The size for thanking card is 4 by 6 inches and it would be single side printed. After adding our thanking card design, we will just click on save, name it anything. Just click on save, and to place the order of thanking card, we will just go to direct order again and place the order here. After selecting the options, we will click on add to cart and we will just place the order for thanking card here. Thanking card usually costs 2500 and it is 5 rupee per card. So the quantity would be 500. The amount shown here is for 500 thank you cards. You can add more as well. Once the thank you card inventory is low, our team will contact you for the refill of thank you card. You can order the thank you card from here. After clicking on order now, your thank you card order would be placed and it would be added to your branding section. You can also opt in for hang tags which go to your product collar. Just go to the branding, click on hang tag. The hang tag area is 2 inch by 3.5 inch. We will just click on upload and we will just select our hang tag design. We will place the design here. Usually hang tags are two-side printed, so you can add on the front and on the back as well. So the front design is added, we will just add the back design. Our hang tag design is added, we will just click on save, just name our design, and similarly we will place the order through the direct order tab. We will just select the size and other options. We will add to cart and we will just add the store ID and just click on order now. So in this way you can opt in for customized branding with Getprintx. Our team takes care of the branding and we add all the branding material to every product your customer orders. This was for the brand label. Apart from this, we offer free branding on the package labels. Whatever label you send to us, we stick it on your package. We use white courier bags while packaging and add your customized label to it without any additional charge. So the customized label is free of charge, just to make sure your brand stands apart. So in this way you can order customized branding material for your brand. If you have any issues, just let us know. Our team will contact you right away. Until then, happy dropshipping.